Hi guys, this is Damien from Tech Dragons, and today we're going to do a simple tutorial on how to install and set up the direct-to-drive service by Valve called Steam. First thing we have to do is go to Steam's website, which is what we're going to have to do is open up Explorer, whatever internet browser you use. The website's name is called, you can type in steampowered.com, which I entered in right there. You will navigate to the website. Okay, once you get to the website, you just have to look for this little green button up here. You click on that to start the installation process. Okay. Basically, you scroll down here and you click on this large green button. It's going to be about 1.5 megabit download. Just click on that and it'll start the process. I'm going to save this to my desktop so it's easy to find. I'm actually going to make a folder on here so it's doesn't clutter up my desktop too much. Okay, rename that folder like downloads, or just something random, something you can remember so that you know where to find it later. Okay, open that folder and save the file into there. Okay, we're going to close that out. We're going to close out the Explorer, go into the folder I made where I downloaded Steam into, and you'll see the Steam installer sitting in that folder. You double click on that, it'll start the process. Then you hit run, and boom, we're into actually installing Steam at this point. Close that out, clean up the screen a little bit, and then we hit next. Read through the agreement. I know 99% of y'all will not, but if you want to, you can read through it. I'm going to accept the agreement because I am older than 13 years old. Hit next. I'm going to put my internet speed on here, which the middle line is this DSL connection here at 768K a second. That's fine. Just click next. Going to pick English as my language. Click next. If this is the folder you want to install it on, I only have one drive on this system, and that's where I want it to install to. I hit install, and it's going to run through the process of actually installing the client onto my system. And then it's going to continue and try to install onto the system. You're going to see a few icons pop up, and click finish when it's finishing install. Steam is going to go through an update, download different updates it has to its system. Real simple. Okay, and I believe it should load by itself here in a second. There we go. Alright, basically this is the next step. Once you've installed it, installing is really easy. You just point and click to install. Next thing to do is to actually create an account for Steam. I've already created an account with it, but I'm going to go through the process with you so you guys understand how to actually go through that process. You're going to hit on this button right here called Create a New Account. Once again, another EULA. Just read through it if you'd like and hit agree. Create an account name. And the password. Retype the password. Click next. Okay, enter a contact information, your email address. You'll have to enter it in twice. Okay, it's going to ask you to make a secret question so that in case something goes wrong, you lose your password or what have you. It's just a simple quick question that you can remember and something you can answer is what they'll ask you in case you say you forget your password. And it's going to create an account for you. It's going to give you your account information, and basically it's going to set up a notification icon in your system tray. That'll be it. It'll connect to Steam's website and it'll load the client. And there we go. Real simple. Install and setup of the Steam account. Let's see. Okay. What we're gonna do is actually to go to the next step, which is installing a game. I'm gonna actually change out accounts to a previous account I have where I have a game already purchased on it, and we'll install a game. So I'll be back in a few seconds. Okay, now that we have loaded a fully activated account, I'm going to see about installing a game. As you can see, there are a bunch of games already installed or already purchased for this account, but none of them are installed right now. Basically what happens, you go to the store, you find a game you like. Let's say I liked Apox here, and I wanted to purchase it. You go down here, you add it to your cart, and then you purchase it for yourself. Basically, you log on with your Steam information, you activate your payment info, and it loads into your library. Once it does that, you just click on the game, and you'll look at the screen right here. You'll see that you can install. I'm going to install Modern Warfare 2 just to show you guys how it's done. You hit install, it loads the screen where it tells you it's about to install Modern Warfare 2 or whatever game you have purchased. You click next. You tell it if you want to create a shortcut or little on your desktops. You say yes, or you click it to say an affirmative you wanted to do that, and then basically you hit finish and it'll start downloading the game, and once it is finished downloading, it's ready to play. Okay guys, those are the basics for Steam. Thank you for watching. If you liked what I showed you today, hit the like button and remember to subscribe. This has been Damien for Tech Dragons, and we'll see you next time.